Of our esteemed institution, that is Ms. Dipti, Sir Sanjay and Sir Kamal. Due to some of the inconvenience and his urgent work, Sir Kamal could not be a part of this small gathering, but Madam Dipti and Sir Sanjay is with us. I am quite a new teacher, so I can say very few about Sir Sanjay. I have spent almost 2 years now in this Saksaha family. So whatever these 2 years I have experienced along with them, that much only I can share. Whatever I have heard and I have observed, Ms. Dipti, she is a source of kindness, encouragement to the school, to her students. The remarkable contribution what she has done for the school and for her students in these long 7 years, that is going to leave behind unforgettable moments and some memories and long-lasting impression in all of our hearts. With her positive attitude and the kindness, she has nurtured not just brains, but also hearts. Secondly, Sir Sanjay, he is a pillar of strength, I must say. He is a person with great energy, enthusiasm. His dedication and his calm nature, with whatever conversation and the time I have spent with Sir Sanjay, I have seen him very calm. Whenever I personally become nervous, he'll always say, "Ma'am, everything will be on place, everything will go on very smoothly." So seeing his calm nature, I'm sure that he has taught not just book lessons to his students also, he has definitely taught life lessons, which has helped not only students, but all of us. Lastly, together, Madam Dipti and Sir Sanjay, they have remarkable contribution to our esteemed alma mater. They have shaped countless young minds, and they have been an integral part of our Saksaha family. No doubt, they're leaving us, but their teachings, their inspirational values, that is going to remain with us forever. We'll miss them. So, on behalf of entire St. Xavier School Harmony, I extend all of our heartfelt gratitude for Madam Dipti and Sir Sanjay. We thank them for their selfless service, dedication, and the hard work that they have portrayed all throughout the years they have spent with us, with their students. And on behalf of everybody, once again, I wish them all the best wishes for their future endeavors. Thank you. I would like to call Madam Nilakshi. Madam Sunita, and a small token of love from all of us.
I am here on behalf of the management to tell few words of appreciation about our teachers who are leaving us today. So As for Dipti Madam, I have enjoyed her company. So quiet, she also likes Sir Sanjay, and she does the work very perfectly. And I have nothing to tell her any correction like I have come across. And I really feel so sad when she said that she has to stay with her mother-in-law, father-in-law, and she has to leave this place. I felt so sad. We are missing one of the best teacher I felt. So I am really appreciating all her hard work of 7 years. Through her, the children are built mentally and spiritually. She has guided them. So thank you, Madam Dipti, for your hard work and your endurance, for the school that you have rendered as a teacher, giving your best. Sir Sanjay, I do appreciate your hard work, your quiet nature. I can tell you frankly whatever I feel, you have taken it for your growth and for your good, positive and negative. I was able to converse with you freely. That is the way I expect everyone to be frank and learn things. We are always, though I am elder to all of you, but I still like to learn. Responsibilities are given. He has done perfectly, and I am proud of him to say that he has improved a lot in doing and living in this institution as a teacher. I always tell him, when we go out from this school, other teachers, other people, wherever we are working, they will expect us better performance. Also took a lot of trouble. He has left us suddenly because of his post, which was very urgent. Though he is not here, we are grateful to him. As a management, I give my gratitude to him and wish him all the best. I also wish Madam Dipti and Sanjay all the best for the future, and they may do well. Surely God will be with them. We assure our prayers, especially fathers and sisters. So now, as a token of our love from the management, I would like to invite Father Joshua to give Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sister, for expressing our sentiments of love and gratitude on behalf of the management. I really would like to thank Madam Dipti for coming over here. It was a tough decision for her, and I think she came because she loved all of us, although probably there may be some oppositions from his in-laws side. Yes, he has come over here, and yeah, I'm also sorry for what happened in the morning. Our children did to Madam Dipti, and I request you to share your thoughts.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Father Principal, Father Joshua, Vice Principal, Sister Rechi, dear teachers. I stand over here after 7 wonderful years. My heart is filled with both gratitude and emotion. It is not easy to say goodbye to a place which has been more than a workplace. Returning here as a teacher was one of my best honors of my life. Thank you, Saint Xavier, for shaping me twice, once as a student and again as a teacher. In these 7 years, I have not only taught students from the books, but also have learned countless lessons from all of you. As it is said that teaching is the one profession that creates all other profession. I am really blessed to be a part of this noble journey. To you, my dear teachers, thank you for your unwavering support, your encouragement, and your blessings. You have made every challenge easier and every success more meaningful.